Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 43. Problem number 43, it's exactly like the previous problem, but we changed a little bit the solution. So let's see what is the problem 43. It's to write a program to print how much do you want to pay to finish the loan. For example, you take 5,000, and the second question it will be in how many months do you want to finish this loan? 2 months, 5 months, 10 months. So if you take 5,000 and I want to pay monthly, for example, 500. So in 10 months, I will finish the loan. But this time, the second question, it will be in how many months or how many months do you want to pay? If the user say 10 months, so the monthly payment or monthly installment payment will be $500, for example. Let's see how we do it, how we're going to solve it. We have the same generic function. Let's open it, read positive numbers, don't change anything in it. And we have this function also is same like the previous problem, but we changed the name of the function. It was monthly payment or total of months, but this time monthly installment payment it should be, but I forget to write it. So monthly installment, float loan amount, it takes loan amount, and this time it took how many months. The loan amount 5,000, let's say. How many months? Let's say 10 months. Let's open the main function. Loan amount, read positive number. We will display this question for the user on console screen. Please insert the loan amount. Second variable, how many months? Look at the variable name is descriptive names. Okay, how many months? Also use the same read positive number function, but we have different string or text inside its parameter according to our program need. But this time we want to ask the user in how many months you want to finish this loan. So the question will be how many months, and after that see out the monthly payment is we called monthly installment. Let's open it. Monthly installment is same like the previous problem, return loan amount divided how many months this time. Okay, so the monthly installment takes loan amount and takes the how many months, takes two numbers and divided to each other. After that give us the final results. Don't forget to put them a float to return for us the correct number. Okay, so let's do run, check it out together. Perfect. Once we did run, the command display for us this question like a previous problem. Please insert the loan amount. Let's say it's 5,000. And the second question, how many months? Let's say 10 months. In 10 months, I want to finish this loan. 5,000. I just want to pay it or return it in 10 months. Let's press enter. The monthly payment is $500. 5,000, the loan amount. We want to finish it in 10 months. We have to pay every month $500. But if you switch it, for example, let's do run again. If we insert 12 months or 14 months, please insert the loan amount. Let's say 5,000. How many months? 5 months. I have to pay every month. The monthly payment is $1,000. And also the same solution with slightly changing the name of the function and the name of the variables, but all the structure of the functions and everything same, and solve for us a different problems according to this program requirements. Therefore, if you write your program from the beginning properly, it could help you to solve also another problems in different programs. Okay, so that was the problem of today, problem number 43. It's about to write a program to print how much you want to pay to finish the loan. So see you next problem, next lesson. Ciao.